Good day, and welcome to your daily AI news headlines for Sunday, 2nd November 2025. So, today we're diving into China's ambitious proposal for a global AI governance body, urgent warnings from US Senator Josh Hawley regarding AI chatbots safety for children, and, a groundbreaking alliance between Nvidia and Fujitsu set to revolutionize AI robotics. First up, China has made a significant move on the global stage, formally proposing the establishment of a World AI Cooperation Organization during the recent APEC summit. Well, as detailed in China Proposes Global AI Governance Body, President Xi Jinping championed this initiative, framing AI as a public good that should benefit all humanity. So the aim is to create binding frameworks for ethical development and equitable access to artificial intelligence, addressing critical gaps in fragmented global regulation, particularly concerning algorithmic transparency, cross-border data flows, and preventing military applications of autonomous systems. Mind you, this proposal, made in the absence of the United States, signals Beijing's strategic intent to lead in norm setting for emerging technologies. Meanwhile, pressing concerns about AI safety have been raised by US Senator Josh Hawley. In Senator Hawley Warns of AI Chatbot Safety for Children, he issued a stark warning about the psychological dangers AI chatbots pose to children, basically citing documented cases of harmful interactions and a Stanford study revealing that 68% of tested chatbots failed age-appropriate content filters. Senator Hawley called for immediate regulatory intervention. He highlighted instances where children received encouragement for self-harm and explicit material, underscoring the urgent need for robust age verification systems and real-time content moderation for large language models, especially as these generative models become increasingly pervasive in educational and entertainment applications. On the innovation front, technology giants Nvidia and Fujitsu have announced a strategic partnership aimed at accelerating AI robotics development. So, as reported in Nvidia-Fujitsu Alliance Targets AI Robotics Breakthroughs, this collaboration seeks to deliver transformative applications in healthcare, manufacturing, and social infrastructure by 2030. Merging Nvidia's cutting-edge GPU architectures and Omniverse platform with Fujitsu's enterprise systems expertise, the alliance is poised to address labor shortages and complex societal challenges, particularly aligning with Japan's Society 5.0 initiative. Actually, initial projects will focus on areas like elderly care assistance and precision manufacturing, where AI-driven dexterity can significantly enhance human capabilities. Right, here at AICI, we see these developments as interconnected facets of AI's evolving landscape. China's governance proposal, while a welcome recognition of the global deficit, must demonstrate a genuine commitment to independent oversight and civil society inclusion to gain true credibility. Honestly, without transparent accountability, it risks becoming a vehicle for state-centric values rather than universal human rights. Similarly, Senator Hawley's intervention rightly spotlights a critical safety gap for children, but AICI believes legislative responses must avoid one-size-fits-all approaches. Effective protection, requires collaborative, nuanced safeguards involving child psychologists, AI ethicists, and platform engineers, prioritizing adaptive safety layers that evolve with model capabilities. Now, regarding the Nvidia-Fujitsu alliance, while it promises significant advancements in practical AI deployment, its long-term impact, hinges on transparent ethical frameworks that prioritize human oversight, especially in sensitive domains like healthcare. The focus on solving serious social issues must be matched with rigorous auditing protocols to prevent algorithmic bias from exacerbating existing inequalities, particularly in aging societies where trust in autonomous systems is paramount. So these three stories collectively highlight the critical balance we must strike between fostering innovation, ensuring robust safety, and establishing equitable global governance as AI continues its rapid ascent. Okay, that's all for today's AI News Summary. We've covered global governance, critical safety concerns, and exciting technological breakthroughs. The world of AI is moving at an incredible pace, and we'll be here tomorrow to bring you all the latest. Anyway, until then, stay curious, and we look forward to catching up with you then. This was brought to you by AICI, your expert AI consultants. Please hit like and subscribe to stay ahead of the curve with all the latest from the world of AI. See you tomorrow.